Hey, what's going on, weavers? Tim here again, and in this video we will be making the WRAPTURE Paracord Keychain. This design comes from JD Lenzen of Tying It All Together. It's a really beautiful design that looks like a back-to-back DNA weave pattern. It makes a great keychain, and I hope you all will like this one. That being said, let's get into it. In terms of materials, I'm using these lengths of digital ACU 550 and international orange 550 paracord. Also, I've got this brass keyring that's got a nice antique finish on it. To get this one started, I'm using my digital ACU strand, and I'm going to find the midpoint and pass the top through the front of the keyring. And then I'm going to move the terminal ends to the back and then pull them through the back of the loop to the front. Then I'm going to pull it tight and cinch it up, making the slingstone hitch. I like this hitch more than the cow's hitch because it looks a little bit better and also it stays in place. From there, I'm going to measure out about a 5-inch length and hold my terminal ends up top and bring the right strand to the right and the left to the left. Then I'm going to bring the right side strand over the core strands. Then place the left over the top of that one. And then continue with the left strand going behind the core and out the loop on the right. Notice this was a right-sided cobra knot. Next, with my orange strand, I'm going to pass it through both loops up top and make sure the cords are even on both sides for the ACU and the orange. Then cinch up that first knot and firm it up. Moving on, we're now going to tie a right side cobra knot again, but this time with the orange. Once again, right side cord over the core, left over that one, and then go behind the core and out the right side. Pull that knot tight and cinch it up. Then going back to the ACU strand, I'm going to tie another right side cobra knot under the orange from behind. And then with those first few knots tied, pull everything tight. So that's the pattern you're going to repeat. You're basically tying right-sided cobra knots alternating between the orange and ACU. In this case, the orange cobra knots are tied in the front and the ACU cobra knots are going to be tied at the back. The knots will naturally twist as you go down the core. There's not much to finishing this one, just snip and cinch the excess cords and press down on them with the knotter's tool. So on that note, we are finished, and that was the WRAPTURE Paracord Keychain, nice and easy. Love the way this one looks and how it turned out. Let me know what you weavers think of this one. Do you want to see more keychains? Anyhow, I hope you all enjoyed this one and will try one out for yourself. That being said, a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. If you want access to exclusive tutorials as well as our Discord server, feel free to check out my Patreon page, link in the video cards as well as down below. You can join for as little as $3 a month. You can also support this channel by liking the video and commenting. Also, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to check out what I have to offer on the rest of my channel.